Hello guys, welcome to another video. Here we will be configuring the kubeconfig and we'll be installing the Calico add-in. So before we start using Kubernetes cluster, we need to configure it. Okay, like if I try to run the kubectl commands in here, it won't uh, work, right? So it may work, but the problem is that you need to set it up so that your cluster is at least visible. So let's go ahead and follow the steps. We will create a directory with .cube under the user home directory. Then we will be copying the admin config command to the config, and then we will be providing the permissions, changing the ownership of the file. Now once that is done, then so it says we have a master node but it's not ready. So in order to make it ready, we have to load the Calico and also the pod network, which we will be doing it via Calico. So Calico is a network provider or a network solution provider which provides the network to the pods. Pods is a smallest unit of Kubernetes which contains containers which host the applications. So we will first be downloading the Calico YAML file from the Calico URL website. So this is our master. So if I go in here, so you will find a Calico file. So let's see the contents and edit a few of them. So in here, so what we need to do is you need to see if you are using a different pod network as specified in your kubeadm file with which you passed on as a parameter during the initialization of kubeadm. Then you need to change it. I will just show you. By default we are not making a changes in it, but I will just show you like what we have. I'll just pause the video. I will come on to that section just a sec. So if you see this particular line, you search it, you will find there is the pod network specified, right? Here you need, if you are using a different range, then you need to change in here and save this file. Now we are not making any changes to it because we are using the default network for the pods, which is 192.168 dot something dot something. So I'm gonna come out, not be saving it. So we have a Calico file. So what we would be doing is we have downloaded the file. We are not setting up this particular step. So we will be now applying this file. Okay, we will be applying this file. And in case you want to read this particular file, you can just read it and just go through the other contents of the file. So this has created. Now if I go to kubectl get nodes, so it's not ready, but let's see what it says. Get pods -0 wide. In all namespaces. So if you see, the Calico nodes are being deployed and it's running. But the core DNS is pending. It will also start once it all has been set up. And we have to just wait for a few moments. So get pods. So once these get pending the core DNS, once they get up and running, then it starts working. Your master node comes up, so it's ready now. So things are becoming a bit better now, and it's still running. We will just wait for a few moments, and we will then join other nodes. So let's join the other nodes to the cluster, and we would be using a particular command. Just a sec. I'll just go to the master node and just show you there. So so this is, so I will just go into one of the nodes, and it will just say, it says that it has joined the cluster. Similarly, I will be putting this on to the other nodes. So we have all the three nodes joined to the cluster. So let me go to this kubectl nodes. So one is ready, other one is getting ready. We can see the version. So they are all just coming up. And this is about it. And I will just come back once all the nodes are ready, and then we will stop the video. So now if you've seen here, once we have joined nodes to the cluster, you could see all the services are up and running, and the Calico pods or the nodes which you see in here, they are, or the controller, you are getting IP address from this range, from 192, and even the core DNS. So whatever are the related components who are responsible for providing IP addresses to the pods, they will be getting an IP address from Calico. And if I get to the nodes, we can just see every particular component is ready. I will stop this video and will post it. In the next series, we will be deploying a three-tiered application on this self-managed Kubernetes cluster, where you have access to the master node, where you can control the etcd and other components, a kube API from by yourself. Thank you for watching.